surprise, we moved. If you're surprised, we're just as surprised. We weren't going to move until July. But as you all may know, renting or buying a home right now is absolutely insane. And here in Utah, it's bananas. It's disgusting how much rent is and the house prices. But when you find a place that is in your price range, you gotta jump. You know what I'm saying? We're still searching for our dream spot. We're so thankful to have been at Derek's parents' apartment. That's where we were. It was such a blessing we were there. We were there for 3.5 years. It helped us reach a goal that we had. Now that things got situated, I talked about it in a video I'll link below, assumption and question video. Well, I didn't go into full detail, but you got the gist. I'm not doing a house tour. You'll see it with the videos. There's going to be a little more day in the life, some cleaning and organizing, so you'll see it then. It's an older home. It was built in '96, and they've done a lot of remodeling, and it's cute. Sorry, I gotta wash my hands. But I gotta be super careful of my middle finger. I think I broke my finger, you guys, during the move. I was setting up the kitchen, and I smashed it. I have footage of it. I was reaching for the bowls. The weight of the bowls brought my hand down, and then the weight of the cabinet door, and just crunch. Oh!
You okay, baby? What happened?
Oh, God. I think it's broken. I mean, it could be really bruised, but I gotta go in. But I'll go in on Friday. Right now, there's too much to do. Today is Tuesday. All the big furniture is here. Our clothes are here. Most of our linens are here. Some of our toiletries are here. And I just brought the pantry over last night, and I'm starting on the food room tonight. Oh my gosh, there's so much to do, but it's not like we have to rush getting out of our last place, so that's nice. So we just keep going over, bringing things back. So last night, I was pulling things from the pantry, and I had all the bins from my closet. Do you remember when we moved into that house? So I went and bought these white crates from Walmart. They worked out really good, but we don't need all of them for our closet. That is how we're going to transfer over our pantry and the food storage room. It's Mr. Toodles. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so I took those crates, lined them up outside my pantry, and started putting the main pantry in there, and then some of the food storage room in there. So I've got to empty these out. I'm organizing the pantry. I picked up a pantry organizer. Let me show you. We're gonna see if this works in the pantry. It's like an over the door organizer. You're gonna have to wait for that pantry video. But we're going back over tonight. I'm gonna be making clam chowder in just a little bit. Mr. Toodles, he's gonna go grab some clams off our shelf and bring them here, because we are having a birthday dinner for our niece tonight, and I'm making a soup and 2 others are making a soup. All right, so I just went to Walmart and went grocery shopping. We already had, of course, food in our fridge that we took with us, but we just needed a little bit more, so I'll share that haul with you. I grabbed 60 count of eggs. I'm gonna be doing some make-ahead breakfasts. I can't wait. We're gonna do little egg broccoli cups, and then some sandwiches. Half of this will be for breakfast sandwiches. Some tomatoes on the vine. Oh, they look good. Some bell peppers. It was actually cheaper to buy it like this than getting these peppers individually. So I actually saved by getting the package of 3. Some more celery. I have celery in my fridge, but with us making the clam chowder, I needed more of that. Some tostadas. We're gonna have like a whole taco thing with that. 2 bags of chips, the wavy and the barbecue. I swear, the Great Value, the Walmart brand of barbecue chips, are so much yummier than Lay's. And I have said this before here on my channel, and so many of you agree. All right, for Derek, got him his hot smoke sausage, like kielbasa, loves that stuff. A bag of frozen meatballs. We are going to do sweet and sour meatballs in the slow cooker. I have 2 bottles of this already on my shelves, or 1 in my food storage room that we're going to be bringing over. So these will replace those, and that's what some of these peppers are for, is for that. And then I'm making fajitas. So I have some little flour tortillas. Grabbed just 2 of the Soy Delicious dairy-free coconut milk yogurt. It's so good. And then some ground mustard. I was all out. And then ricotta cheese. I'm gonna do lasagna in the slow cooker one day. If you'd like to see how to do that, and where you don't even need to boil your noodles. It's so great. I'll leave that video down below. 2 half and halves for clam chowder for tonight, and then again later because we're gonna want more. And the expiration isn't till or the best by like the 21st of March. Bananas, and then some mozzarella cheese. This is just 1 pound. Some strawberry cream cheese spread. That will go with the mini bagels. And then I grabbed the garden vegetable. That's my favorite. I love having it with crackers and with my vegetables. We have white American cheese. And this is not even a full pound. And then cute little mandarin oranges. Look at those. Those look so good. Some yams, sweet potatoes. Look at how small these are. Yum. Something that we always have. It's like our little sweet treat. We have the raspberries, the blackberries, the blueberries, and the strawberries as a treat with some whipped topping. And then of course for the cottage cheese that we have in the fridge. This is the first grocery haul in the new home. And we're good for a while. I might be running out of my romaine quickly, but I wasn't gonna get it at Walmart. I always get my romaine at Costco. It's so much cheaper. So I'm gonna get this put away. So this refrigerator is a Samsung, I believe, same as the one that we originally bought. But this one is stainless steel and ours is a black stainless steel. My fridge doesn't have that type of drawer. It's separate from the refrigerator, my other one. So that's cool. We were gonna swap them and we were gonna put this one in the garage, but we were having a hard time getting it out the door. We would have to then take the doors off. And then we realized, whoa. This one is deeper than ours. So we're gonna keep it here and we put ours in the garage. Yeah, it is so much deeper. It's so deep. And all the rest of this is just gonna sit tight for a moment because tonight and tomorrow I'm working on the pantry. So we're just gonna chill out right here. Yeah, I might have to put this one out in the fridge out there, but I haven't cleaned that fridge yet. Like I said, this happened so fast and Derek was out of town. And from Monday to, Monday to Thursday night, and I was here preparing the house, cleaning, and yeah, touching up some things here. And I set up the kitchen Thursday night, and then Friday we were moving, and Saturday we were moving, that I just hurried and emptied out my fridge, and I didn't have a chance to like really clean it. And it really needs to be cleaned. But I'm gonna put these in there and we need to clean a fridge. And by we, I mean, yeah, you and me, because I'm not doing it alone. Okay, Mr. Toodles came home with the clams, so I can get going on dinner. I don't know, this might be where I keep all my aprons, just right here by the front door. Yes, the kitchen is right in the front of the house. But I have my reserve aprons. They're all in a pile over there. I think I have an idea. And if I could pull it off, it'll be super cool. I'm excited for the stove. It's a gas stove. Yay! I miss my gas stove. And it's also a gas oven. Not my favorite. I like electric ovens, gas top. But I don't care. Like, I'm so thankful this is here. Are you kidding? The first thing I wanted to do in the oven was bake bread, but we slept here Saturday night, and Sunday for lunch after church, the kids made pizza. Yeah, I wanted to christen it with homemade bread. During the move, I ran into Macy's to get some apple boxes, because seriously, they're my favorite boxes to pack with. And I noticed in there that they had my clams on sale. Amazing, because the lowest I've seen is like $2.12 lately, even at Walmart. So when I saw that sale, I snagged it, even though I just picked up some not too long ago. We love our clam chowder. So I grabbed 16 cans, so that is enough to do what? Chowder 4 times. So for my clam chowder, I always do 2 cans of minced and 2 cans of chopped. And if you would like this recipe, it is linked below and it's also on my website, so you can go grab it and print it out. It's so good. Had an onion in my refrigerator that we brought over. I'm gonna use this up. And then another one. I'll have to get onions on the next grocery haul. Woo! 'Tis strong with this onion. Alright, I diced the potatoes. Derek opened up the clams, poured the juice down in. This is going to simmer. Basically cook until where I want the potatoes. Never looks like you have enough liquid, but trust me, once it starts cooking, the onions do their thing. Yeah, I'm gonna cover that up. Ooh, this is good and thick. And my veggies are done. And add my clams in. And the cream mixture was butter, half and half, whole milk, salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of sugar. Oh my gosh. I know a few family members that are gonna be so excited to see this soup tonight. So I just let it warm through together, get those clams nice and hot, and we're good to go. Look at this car, it is jam-packed. I have things from the master closet, the linen closet, the laundry room, the bathroom. This is full. Okay, started loading up some of those bins. So now we just have this to do. Just grab the rest of this stuff off the shelves. But I'm gonna head home. My car is packed. So I'm gonna go unload that and then we'll come back and load up those bins and all of this. They're gonna stay in these brown crates. So we'll just move them over to the car like that. And then the boys will take down these shelves and put them up in the new home. We have more shelves like this that didn't fit when we moved in. We have quite a bit of shelves to work with. And if you're wondering where we got these from, they're from Home Depot. And in these fruit boxes, this is all cookbooks, you guys. Holy cow. Let's keep the fun going. Click on the video where I'm sharing how I packed and unpacked my kitchen. This kitchen may look small, but you won't believe the amount of storage I found while unpacking. And click on this other video where I share how to organize your pantry, big or small, into zones and categories. Thanks for joining me today, friends. I'll meet you over at the other videos and we'll see you soon. Bye.